There are 3 pieces of malware on this PC right now. I put them there. One is sloppy, you could catch it with your eyes closed. One is clever, it's disguised as something you'd never suspect. And one is basically invisible. Today, we're hunting all 3. I'm going to show you exactly how to check for malware on Windows 11, the real way, the way the pros do it, and we'll see which tools actually catch what. Let's start the investigation. All right, first tool in our kit, Task Manager. Right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. This is where most people start, and honestly, it's not a bad first move. Observing the Processes tab, and there it is. See that? There is an unusual process running. Its name is showing Windows and then some unknown characters. This is the most obvious process that anyone can say it's suspicious, because it's not something I installed. That's our first suspect, caught red-handed. It's not like all the malware will show up like this. They might have names similar to the system processes, so you will have to look closely. Now here's the lesson. Suspect 1 was easy. It was loud, it was obvious. But here's what worries me. We know there are 2 more on this machine, and Task Manager is showing nothing else unusual. So either the other 2 aren't running, or they're hiding. Task Manager can't tell us which. We need better tools. Time to bring Process Explorer. You can download it from the Microsoft's website. Right away, you can see way more detail. Every process, its full path, the company that signed it, CPU usage, the works. But here's the trick that catches malware. You can enable VirusTotal integration. This checks every running process against 70+ antivirus engines at once. Watch. There. See that one? Flagged by multiple engines. And look at the name. It's not something eye-grabbing. It looks normal in Task Manager. You'd scroll right past it. But Process Explorer sees through the disguise. It's unsigned, no digital signature, and VirusTotal confirms it's malicious. That's suspect number 2, the impersonator. It dressed up as something safe, blended in, and Task Manager didn't blink. All right, 2 down, but we planted 3, and Process Explorer is showing everything else as clean. So where's the third one? Okay, so this is the part that should scare you a little. We know there's a third piece of malware on this machine, but Task Manager can't see it. Process Explorer can't see it. This is what advanced malware actually looks like. Rootkits, fileless malware, stuff that injects itself into legitimate processes, hides in memory, or disguises itself so well that other tools don't flag it. And this is the real problem, right? To encounter this threat, let's try something different. This is Malware Fox. It runs a deep scan, not just files, but memory, the registry, rootkits, browser hijackers, things that embed themselves where traditional tools don't look. And there it is, Suspect 3, found. I put this Spring PIP Comet, a Trojan downloader, which has downloaded another malware named Single Violet White. Malware Fox has caught not just the Trojan downloader, but the other malware that it has downloaded. Once the scan completes, it will automatically delete those threats. So, here's what we learned. Task Manager caught the amateur, the loud, obvious one. Great first check, but it's limited. Process Explorer unmasked the impersonator, the one pretending to be safe. Powerful tools, but you need to know what you're looking at. And Malware Fox found the ghost, the one that was truly hiding. The stuff that slips past everything else. Modern malware doesn't like to be caught easily. They hide. To get them, you need some expert tool like Malware Fox. If you want, you can try it for 15 days. The link is in the description. If this was helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more stuff like this, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever found malware on your PC? I want to hear your stories. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.